Ooh, yummy. Mum and Nella in the pool, relaxing with Zaya. I'm gonna go look for my parentals. They went for a walk. Oh my gosh, she's so smart. Please let us know what mukbang you would like to see us do, Darnell and I. Either Balinese food or like tropical fruits. Morning guys. Another day today. It's day 2 of me being here in Bali and I'm about to go have breakfast. I woke up early as this morning because I'm not feeling well. Nothing to do with the food, it's just girl problems. I'm gonna put it like that. I'm about to go and eat and you guys can have a look at the breakfast. Oh wow. Good morning. Morning. Oh my gosh, you're swimming already. Yeah. Ooh. Very delicious. Some fried rice, fries. Oh, that's what she said, potatoes. Yeah. I was like, potato, I don't know what she said, something about potatoes. Yummy.
Chicken and potatoes.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
And I got my dragon fruit. Okay. Ooh, yummy.
Look off. Are we going to go for a day trip today?
Okay, so we've just had a chill day today. We did not go anywhere. Mum and Nella in the pool, relaxing with Zaya. Dad's sleeping. My bro and Ingrid are, I don't know where they are. Mona's sleeping. Look how beautiful this is. I love these leaf things. This one's like one of my favorite leaves. So beautiful. Danielle.
I just pushed him away.
Just leave him alone. Go and get him.
So guys, this is little boy called Amaziah. He's a little bit of a baby sometimes. I should say all the time. Hey Zah, tell me what your girl name is. His name is Amanda.
Good afternoon, y'allsy. So this is like the second time I've picked up the camera all day because I haven't been feeling very well, so I haven't really vlogged today. My apologies. This one might be a bit shorter than the other was. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. I seriously need a thumbnail. Do they have like a little flower? I look so weird. I look like I just woke up but I didn't even sleep. I'm gonna go look for my parentals. They went for a walk. Ooh, I see some tourists up there. We are staying at like a family villa. We've got the place to ourselves, but I think this is like some sort of hotel resort kind of thing. It's very big next to us. And let's go exploring, guys. Oh, I see my mum and dad. See, this is the place that we're staying next to. It's so cool. Hey, so did you get us some snacks? Yes. Great. Oh, wonderful. God bless you too. Oh, wonderful. What a doll of you. And you too, Dad. Doll of you too. Oh, Mama, I like your shoes. No. Well, that wasn't much of an explore, was it, guys? This, in this kind of heat, is like a lifesaver. So beautiful here. Yeah, you said, did you need money? I got money. All the money, all your money. Okay.
I need money.
Well, you'll get like 20 bucks. Okay, guys, so we're ready for dinner now. It's so funny. Well, Daniel kept coming to the room and I locked the door because I was having some me time, just relaxing. And I felt so nice.
So there's what did you have, Vicky?
Nazi and the soup.
Nazi and soup.
I think it's my
So there's meagering. Zaya,
No.
mini dinner.
No.
You
You
want
got the
fried
curry
rice
mama.
or noodles?
Daniel. Ada lagi kuih. Kan dia saya lagi.
So what'd you get?
Oh, Zaya just got him a
I got this sweet corn soup. That's what I got. Oh, I'm gonna take a video for the girls.
Like sushi.
Yeah, yeah, sweet corn soup. It's not that sour. I'd like to have a little bit more salt on it, but
Thanks, Zaya.
What about your dad?
Why are you alone again? Something.
oh my gosh, she's so smart.
Familiar.
He's gonna get her a Lorna Jane something.
How do you know Mummy likes Lorna Jane? Who told you that?
He probably just hears you.
Huh? Who told you that, Daddy? Oh, that's clever. They use this for the potato.
Mum, you got a vegetable curry and a something. I got the beef ribs.
You want some tomato sauce with your... This is definitely
ribs.
tomato sauce and not chili.
Me and Nell are doing a challenge. We're doing the big box challenge, so I'm going to challenge him, starting from me.
Yeah.
Ready? Count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, like do it.
1, 2.
Boots and cats and boots, cats and boots and boots and a cat's and a boot cat. Go. Your turn.
Okay, then. Oh, what am I starting off with?
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, done.
I think I was way better than that. I was way better than that. Second round. Boots and cats and fish and dog and boots and cats and fish and dog and clothes and hair and jacket.
What are you saying?
Go, your turn.
What are you saying? Dog and... I don't know.
We've got the oldies here just looking at their technology.
Mum.
Both on their phones. Aren't you so?
Yeah.
When you see this video, I'll probably only have 1 more day or 2 more days left here. So please let us know what mukbang you would like to see us do, Darnell and I. So we got 2 options, either Balinese food or the Balinese fruits, like tropical fruits. Which mukbang would you like to see? Comment down below, or I can comment them, and whichever post gets the most likes, that one will win. So I'm sorry if this was a short vlog. We didn't do much today, we didn't go anywhere, but we're gonna call it a night now. Me and my boy Dino.
Big, like, I think our goal should be about, for now, I think 1,000
Yep, 1,000 likes.
by tomorrow.
Let's see if we can do it, guys. 1,000 likes, we're back. Trying to do Vlogmas, trying to upload a video every day this month for Vlogmas. And so make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, comment, share. SV Squad signing out. Good morning, guys. It is day 3, and I had these fat rascals sleep with me. Hi. Amaziah was also here, but he's gone. Walkabout, and we're about to get up and start our day. Mine started a couple of hours ago because I woke up ages ago. It is 6 o'clock or 6:30 here, and it would be 9:30 in Australia. Morning, guys. Oh, I saw you guys this morning already. Yeah. But we're having breakfast now. Dad, Mom, Ingy, Lady, Mel. Hey, Zaya. Hi. Hey, Mon. So we got banana cake, some muffins, some fresh fruit, watermelon, plantain. Say it now, you know it? Yep.
Mà quân nghĩ là biết xe mà lúc có phải đi. Mà nó có cả pháo.
I need to play. Okay guys, so because today we're going out, it's going to be very long. I'm going to cut this here. The beginning of day 3 is included in day 2. So the next vlog you'll see is today. But because we're going around, it's probably going to be too long. So I'm going to try and see if I can get it done in 2 parts maybe.
What's up, guys?
Do your intro, Molly. Mom, she can't see. Ew, you're sour like a little sauerkraut.
I just want to tell everybody that the vlog that Victoria said that she literally burned my big undies. Girl, let's just correct yourself. That big booty of yours be humongous.
Okay, bye. Bye everyone, you don't need to hear the rest. So today we're going to go to the fish eating thing. We're going to the rice paddies, and we're going to the waterfall. And the big swing, and the big monkey place. So I'll probably have to split the next vlog into 2, 1 and 2. Because there's too much and I don't want to cut a lot of it out. I want you guys to see and enjoy and explore with us. Okay guys, you know the drill. SV Squad signing out. See you in the next vlog.
Squad signing out with the big undies, signing out.